Ja, das ist schon wieder ein Highlight, wie der Guy da rumläuft.
Oh, highlight, love it. You have to love him, huh?
Whoa.
Also, okay, was es hat, wäre ultimativ high. Wieso kann ich die fucking... Okay.
The power is on.
What? The power
Thank
is
you very
on?
much.
Das sollte doch... Oh, der Tier rennt immer 3 macht Speedrun. Hoppa.
Und heute.
Sorry für alle Viewers, das
Ja. Oui.
der kommt wieder das schauen.
That's cute.
What's happening?
Huh?
Oh, you
that's-
can't see?
It's a cute doggo.
No, but on my camera.
No, I can't see it.
Damn it. Alright. It looks so nice for me. I have a cute little dog to look at if I get scared.
That is nice.
I know, right?
Ah, ja, den Knochen gefunden.
Erzähl uns.
Nein, ich sehe es nicht, bin eben oben.
Er steht so im Wohnzimmer und so ganz tief einatmen so. Und er hat das Bild vom Hund gemacht, dass er den Hund kann anschauen kann, wenn er Angst hat.
I'll stick with you. You're gonna be
I
my
found the
guardian
bone.
angel.
Okay. I'm gonna take the death blow.
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant. Good. We're on.
Guardian Angel,
On the same
aka Body Shield.
Yes.
I like to know what I'm signing
I
up
wish
for.
there were. Probably don't in this case.
I
I
mean,
wish there were physics so I could just grab you and toss you into the ghost when the need arises.
Luke, kann ich das wirklich machen?
nee.
In the
Na,
future.
schade, das wäre so lustig da.
Come with me into the dark chamber.
That sounds too kinky for my taste. Yeah, I need to get
Oh
out.
no.
Just
But the
so
door is
everybody knows,
closed.
The 2 closets upstairs in the hallway are blocked.
Oh, good shit.
Roger. I don't know, the ghost keeps closing the door on your ass.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh,
I'll pay you back later.
That is so sus.
All the bad shit you do.
Oh no. I believe in karma, so.
Another.
This looks just like my room.
So weird, Alla. Why are you saying that?
Keep a nice bed.
Yeah. I'm like
What the?
tiny as fuck. Wait, can you hold 2 things at once? Wait, you can hold. You have.
Yeah.
Okay. Fucking broken.
Yeah. VR has one advantage. We can
closet
hold one
at
more
the
item.
back of the floor is
I can also
open.
Glitch out
At
from
the
the
back
house.
in the room.
Show me.
There's
Hey,
Into the house.
show me. I want to
Yeah,
really
come here. Come with me.
Es kann nicht glitchen.
the
If
two
it's this map,
glitch.
it might be another one, but I know that. No, I think it's this one.
Alter, wie er laufen tut, vor allem Horror.
I need to walk physically. So hold on. What? Oh shit! I just stepped myself. Last time it worked. I walked out, then it teleports me into the garage.
Oh,
Really?
Yes, I'm not kidding. Wait, just get up.
oh, it bucks you up, yeah.
It worked.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh yeah, he's in
Damn.
there. Now you get fucked by the ghost.
have
Yeah,
fun,
that's
good
a
luck.
great idea, my guy.
I'm just
We
saying.
should really find this.
It's probably never useful, but
Wait, did we find the... Wait, did we find the room already or not?
I don't think so.
Oh.
why am I still
Which is the
holding this?
problem.
What the?
Du dir wünschst ja so eine Stimme wie der.
Vor allem ist es so Highlight, er hat gesagt, wieso zur Hölle habe ich das noch? Und dann hat er es einfach am Boden geworfen, so Zero Fucks
Ich bin
Giving.
im Living Room wieder gekantet vom Ghost. Also letztlich der Schinger mir ja noch der. I died. I'm dead. He's in the living room. He spawned in the living room. Das ist unlucky as fuck, man.
Shows in the radios when you are far away, so fucking confusing.
Was hat sie gesagt?
Ja, ich habe kein Wort verstanden.
I need to grab a picture of this corpse.
Oh yeah, there goes
Nice.
Kannst du ihm bitte... Er ist im Living Room, der Gast ist im Living Room, er handelt euch Ass, hä? Ich wäre relativ schnell sein, wenn ich wäre.
Ja, ich bin auch dort.
Rest in peace, Till.
Someone died.
Yeah.
God,
We
mother.
need to
Oh,
get out
shit.
fast.
Was hat sie gesagt?
Ich glaube, wir müssen rausgehen
You
schnell.
and me.
Ah, hey,
Oh,
alle.
we're gonna
Hello.
die, but no.
They really lowered the time when he cannot hunt.
Okay.
Okay,
Gee.
so yeah, those.
Ich glaube, der Raum ist im Fall das Wohnzimmer.
We have ghost orbs.
Wir haben Ghost Doors,
Nice.
okay, apparently.
What else?
Nothing. My best guess.
Jesus, we are terrible.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I don't do anything. That's the point. I really don't. I mostly just meander. Wait.
What?
What the motherfucking... Right.
Ah, fuck, das ist so ein Highlight.
Aber du fragst, siehst du, wie er...
Oh,
Ja, er
here.
läuft verdammt
It's here. Yeah, ghost orbs, and he's throwing all the shit.
He's throwing all the shit.
Well, where should I check for prints?
Back out.
Ich finde es geil, dass es keine Animation hat, sondern echt so, das Flash ist so easy im Arm drin, wie als wenn er Iron Man wäre.
We need to put all the things we need
Ah,
there.
er schreibt ins Buch rein.
We
Wirklich?
got EMF.
Ja.
Yeah, brain. We need sensor and
Ghostwriting.
custom and name for that.
Sehen Sie sich?
Ich weiß es nicht.
Wie viel MF ist?
MF2.
It burns. Ouch.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Oh, hello there. Just won't get into the room.
Oh, one of the guys. One of the boys. Here with us.
Oh, ghostwriting.
Okay. I'm
Bitte.
gonna...
No problem. One of the boys out there.
Alter, du kannst schon Pictures aufnehmen.
Oh,
Stop that. Stop throwing shit at me.
have you looked at
wait,
our
wait.
options?
Bring me my cup.
Vom Dog.
Reading our spirit books. Okay.
Was hast du noch gesehen?
We have.
Hat er immer noch das Filter Hand an?
We got spirit box.
Spirit Box? Okay. Spirit Box, das heisst, es wäre ein Mare.
It's a mare.
A mare. It's a mare.
It's a mare. Alright, mate.
No. Here.
Think he's clapping.
It probably doesn't look like anything, does it?
No.
I mean, it's supposed to be clapping.
No.
Oh, okay. Fuck it.
It's
Pretend I
Mare's,
clapped.
Ja, ist mal.
So, let's go.
We got the motion sensor. Ghost. Fuck that. Yeah, we can go.
Great. Great meme, I love it.
It's a mare.
Yeah.
Er ist so done with life, so yeah.
So I'm ready. Tell the boys.
Can we go, ghosts?
Can we go, ghosts?
That's a yes.
I'll take that as yes. Not sure about the other guy.
Fuck yeah. Let's go. Hey.
Nice.
Congratulations.